Possibilities are increasing with which to create better and more realistic images with AI. This new tool is about to become one of the best. With the AI Human Generator, you can create realistic people in different poses. If you want to create your own influencer for a new Instagram account, then you can do it. And in this tutorial I show you how. Click the link in the video description and then you can start Create Human for free. Now that looks a little bit funny. This is a template and we get a lot of different human templates here. These are all. Then you can find here for cosplay or Barbie. At the moment very hot because of the movie. Yeah, you have female, a lot of Barbie here, and male. Here's our some Ken. Non-binary, but at the moment we have nothing here. Okay, now let's get started. What we want to create. We want to create, at first we change the age here, age, child, teenager, young adult, adult, middle-aged, young adult, or yeah, let's do adult here, and we create a girl, female, then the skin tone with a little bit of tan or bronze, body type, very thin, average, athletic, fit, curvy, just a little bit of curvy. Here we can choose the pose. Start with the basic pose at first. Hairstyle. Bald, wavy, curly, short hair. It's a little bit curly. And then here, the hair color. You can choose. And then you can add a prompt if you want, but I will leave that blank at the moment. Then clothing here, clothing style random, casual, with a t-shirt, jeans, underwear, okay, outerwear, trench coat, jacket, it's adding a jacket, sneakers, hat, belt, scarf, necklace, earrings, glasses or sunglasses. Let's try a handbag. Update human. You can see human generator is currently at full capacity, but no problem. Just try it again. If you click 4, 5 or 6 times, then it works. Then it takes a while and you can see this is our result. We don't have any handbag, but it looks very impressive. Let's get back here to body and then we can change the pose here. You can download now the photo if you want, or you can copy the link to use it later. Just change the pose and click on Update Human. If you see this, if it comes up, then try it again. Four or 5 times and then it works always. Look, amazing, it's the same girl, just a face a little bit different, but not too much. I think this program will increase a lot in the future, okay? But for now, it looks quite amazing. But we can do a lot more with this tool. Let me show you something different. Reset all. And then go to Human Templates, Female. Okay, that girl looks nice. Now you can upload here your own images. And in past, I created an AI girl, just do it with AI, this girl doesn't exist, and I made that for a presenter video, and I will use this girl now. That's her. Adult or young adult, let's try this. With real images you use, it takes some time longer, but have a look there, looks amazing. It's exactly the face from the AI girl I made, and you can do it with your own face. Or with the face of your brother, your sister, or your girlfriend. You can download it or copy the link. Let's go to the poses. You can see here it thinks that it's a Brazilian girl. Maybe. Now let's change the pose. Let's try this one. And look there. Very nice. Okay, the fingers are always a problem with the AI, you can see here. And the other hand. But okay. I'm sure that this tool will improve very soon. Let's try another pose. Wow, look there. Okay, here we have another foot. This is the right one, this is the left, and this is the third one. Okay, let's try another one. But we can download it. Let's try this pose. Great, only here this hand. Looks like another girl is behind her. Try this one. One last pose. Very beautiful. And now let's make a few changes. Sunset we change into night. Woman. Serious. Create human. Okay, you can see it isn't in the night now, but she have a serious face now, and the dress has changed a little bit. But everything looks really, really amazing. And this is easy. So you can change images, so you can create different images with one person, with the same person. Just make a girl or a boy, whatever you want, in Midjourney for example, or in Blue Willow. And then you can edit them here, can create different poses, and then you can open an Instagram account. You can create a digital influencer with AI. Why not? And now, how much it costs? Let's go to pricing here. You can see there is a free version, and you can create 2,675,533 low-res generated photos, only personal, non-commercial uses, link to use required, no transparent background, and only 512 and 512 JPEG resolution. Then it has a monthly pack for $19.99 monthly. You can create 15 high-resolution photos from Faces Library or Face Generator per month. Commercial use. Link to us not required. Transparent background for photos is possible here from Faces Library. and the resolution of 1024 JPEG. And then the yearly, if you pay for yearly, it is much cheaper, $199 per year. You can also get it by bulk download. Number of photos 1 till 20, $9, 21 till 57, 51 till 255 US dollar, 251 till 1000, $2.50, and 1000 and plus it costs €1. Specific requirements, just contact us. That's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again soon.